Okay, in this applications problem, we're going to end up setting up two equations. We're going to have one equation where they're going to mark up the price of the item from the price of the tag before the sale. They're calling this the cost. Let's go through and read the problem. Jane's Clothing is having a big sale this weekend. She's going to mark up each shirt 20% above its cost. She will advertise a sale of 15% off the listed price. If the sale price is $54, what was the original price of the item? And I see this all the time. They're having a big sale. Okay, so here's going to be one of the equations. We're going to let P, we're not going to do anything until I get some ink going here. We're going to let P equal, okay, this is going to be the price that's actually listed on the tag. So we'll let C be the cost. Now this is really what the price of the item was before the sale. And it's 20%, so we'll say 0.20 times C. So you see they're marking it up 20% above its cost. Alright, so we have one equation. Now, we don't know what P is at this point, okay? This is the price of the item that's listed. All right, but it's not the sale price. It's not the sale price. Now we're going to write another equation. They're going to advertise 15%, okay, the sale of 15% off the listed price, 15% off. So they're going to take off 15% of the listed price, which is going to be 0.15 here. Okay, so P is the listed price. Alright, and once they do that, they're saying the sale price is $54. Okay, the sale price is $54. And I'm going to draw a picture. Let's draw a picture. Okay. This is the tag. We're going to say that this is the tag that was on the price of the item. This is the tag right here. And actually, let's do this. Need to make that tag a little bigger. And we don't know what the price of that item was. That's what we're going to try to figure out. Okay, this is our P. Now this tag, we'll call it the red sale tag. Okay, this is the red sale. What this tag is reading, which goes along with this equation, is reading $54. Alright, this tag is the day before the sale. We don't know what the original price of the item was, or what they're saying the cost was. Okay, but I'm just calling it the original price, really, of the item. This is what we want to find out. Okay. Well, it's pretty simple now because we have two equations, and all we have to do is, in this particular equation here, is solve for P. Okay, solve for P, which is should be pretty simple. All right, should be pretty simple. So we're going to have 54 is equal to, now we have like terms, once again 1 minus 0.15 is 0.85 p. Okay, 0.85 p. Alright, and then we just solve for p in that, so it would be 54 divided by 0.85, and that gives us 63.5294. And what I'm going to do here is we're going to approximate it, but we're going to, because we're going to be using this number, we're going to go out quite a few decimal places, 0.5294. Okay. All right. Okay, so now we're going to use it in this equation to solve for c. So let's do that. So we have 63.5294 is equal to, now we have like terms, 1 plus 0.20 is 1.20 c. And now we want to solve for c, so we're going to divide that by 1.20, and I'm getting c is approximately 52.94. Let's go ahead and throw a dollar sign in front of that, and let's look at this. 52.94. So you see, this is what 52.94. This is what the item was before the sale. And then what happened, they came in that night and they changed all the tags and they put up big signs outside the store saying that we're having a big sale. Okay, we're having a big sale. Well, according to the big sale here, it looks to me like you paid more for the item than you did before the sale even happened. Yeah. It doesn't make much sense, does it? But it's true. $52, they marked it up 20%. Okay. Then they said they put on the tag $54. The item was $54, and then they marked 15% off of 15% off of P. What was P again? In other words, this number was, okay, this number here was actually, I would probably say that number was the number that was probably on the tag, which was the $63.52. And then they said, hey, we're having a big sale and everything is 15% off. 15% off of that. And it turns out that you paid more before the sale. And yes, I've caught department stores doing this. I'm not going to name any out there, but I've caught plenty of them doing it. Okay, I'll see you in the next problem.